What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today is going to be the first feeding of the new worm bin. It's Worm Wednesday. Let's hop into it. Okay, let's remove the bubble wrap. Get back in there. So the cardboard was kind of here in the middle. Yeah, they're starting to make some castings. Okay, let me pop you on the tripod. Okay, so make a little pocket there. I got lettuce that was in the garden still. Threw that in the freezer to let it start breaking down. I got some coffee and a coffee filter that I'm going to add to where the feeding zone was. And it's back Morgan. And we got our peanut shells. A little bit of sand. And the eggshells. Yep, so this was a quick feeding of the new bin. Hopefully everything will break down nice for them and they'll make some great castings like the other ones I got. Well, thank you all for watching. Have a great day.